Greetings. This is Robin Walker, the Black History Man. I'm excited to tell you that I'm going to be speaking at an event on the 20th of December, and at that event, I'm going to be launching my new book. The event is organized by the African Holistic Health Study Group, and it's a Pre-Kwanzaa Extravaganza 2025. Also speaking at the event is the legendary scientist, Leon Marshall. So it's going to be a powerful afternoon of Black history and African cultural education. So what am I going to be speaking on? I'm going to be launching my new book, and that book is called African Ancient Origins. I'm going to be giving an introductory lecture to the book, and it's all new information. The event itself is going to be in Golders Green, NW11 8EG. It's in the afternoon, and you can get your tickets by clicking below, and that will take you to the Eventbrite website. So see you then, 20th of December, 2025. Powerful event, and I will quite happily sign this book on the day.